name's Minooka Bobby, and today in our training we will be discussing the chemicals for your mop bucket and restroom cart. Our number one emphasis at Minooka 201 is safety. I've started today off with my latex gloves on. Notice how they fit, they're nice and snug. We do provide sizes for different sizes and shaped hands. Make sure you fit accordingly. Next I'm going to be putting on my eyewear. Safety. It can happen. I prefer safety glasses. We do provide safety goggles if that's what you prefer. Now first we're going to set up our mop handle. Make sure you start off with a clean, fresh mop head. Go ahead and insert it on the mop handle. Tighten it snugly. When I put it on, I like to tag up so you're not dragging it across the floor. Once you've inserted your mop head on the handle, set that to the side. We're going to fill up our mop bucket next. The chemical we use is Envirox. It's a light-duty 117 concentrate. It's on the left-hand side. It's a green knob. You're going to take your hose off, insert it into your mop bucket, compress, and turn to the right. While that's filling, I'm going to take this opportunity and go over our reusable sprayer. Notice that it's labeled. This is 117 heavy duty concentrate. It's a little higher concentrate than the 117 floor cleaner we're going to be using. It's the red side. This reusable sprayer is pressurized. So don't open it up, you may get blasted in the face. Now, by being pressurized, this isn't a continuous trigger, it's a pump. We'll go over that after we fill it up though. Like I just stated, you do not want to open this up without decompressing it first. So by decompressing it, we're going to tip it upside down. We're going to compress the trigger until all that air is out of there so we can open it up safely. Once the air is out, go ahead and twist the trigger off. Now this trigger has a tube. This tube sucks the chemical up through and squirts it out of the nozzle. It sometimes falls off, so you want to make sure where this goes. There's a tiny hole in there. Make sure it's firmly compressed in there. Make sure it does not come out. And set that to the side. While discussing the mop bucket and bottle, our mop bucket's already filled, so I'm going to turn that off by compressing and turning to the left. Now by filling up my reusable spray bottle, I'm going to insert the heavy-duty hose into my spray bottle, compress the red button, and turn to the right until it's filled up to the 3-pint line. Now once it's filled up to the 3-pint line, we're going to decompress, turn to the left, shake out the excess chemical. We're going to insert our trigger. Make sure that's firmly on there. Now, as I was discussing before, this is not a continuous trigger. We're going to pump this. We can pressurize that bottle. So we can get our stream or our fan of the chemical we desire. The nozzle does turn right or left to get that desired stream. Compress your trigger, and it'll come out. So now we have our mop bucket ready and our pressurized reusable spray. I'm going to set that to the side. Next, we're going to be filling up our toilet and urinal buckets. These buckets have a Johnny Mop in them. Make sure they're fresh. This is also a red bucket. You'll notice it complies with our red heavy-duty 117. Now we're going to fill our red bucket up to the brim. It's about 2.5 gallons. Put that hose in the bucket, we're going to compress the red knob and turn to the right. Once that's filled to our desired location, we're going to decompress our knob, turn to the left, we're going to set that to the side. That concludes the preparation of your mop, bucket, and other chemicals for your restroom cart.